Hello friends, welcome to this simple guide on how to crop photos on mobile in 2026 without using any third-party app. First, open your gallery app. Inside the gallery, you will see all your saved photos and videos neatly organized. Now scroll through your collection and carefully select the exact photo that you want to crop. Once you open the photo, look at the bottom section of your screen where you will find the edit icon. Usually looks like a pencil or sliders. Tap on it to enter the editing mode. Now, from the editing tools, choose the crop option. You will see a cropping box appear on your image. Simply drag the corners or edges of the box to adjust the size and focus on the part you want to keep. You can also rotate or straighten the image if needed for better alignment. After you are satisfied with the crop position, take a final look to ensure everything looks perfect. Then tap on the Save or Done button located at the top right corner of your screen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick and easy mobile editing tips. See you in the next one.